Hello friends, welcome to online learning session. I am Miss S.D. Kale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. In today's session, we are going to see the following points one by one. Importance of agro-based industries, need of agro-based industries, classification of agro-based industries, types of agro-based industries, institutional arrangement and financial arrangement one by one. Here we can see the importance of agro-based industries. Establishment of agro-based industries is based on the availability of raw material. Agro-based industries have to set up at rural areas where raw material may be available in plenty, and it helps in the upliftment of the rural economy, provide rural population an opportunity for employment, generate income and thereby improve economic condition of people, which in turn create potential for the demand based industries. Here once the money available with people, then people are able to open the new industries as per the demand of the processing and other industries. Next one, provide an opportunity for the dispersal of industries instead of concentrating at a particular place. Solve the problem of exploitation of farming community by traders and middlemen. Farmers could be assured for better price for their produce. Encourage to bring more and more areas under various crop, increases agriculture production and improves nation's economy. Once the agro-based industries is established in India, the raw material requirement for that industry is goes on increasing, and that's why here is a chance to take the various crop productions in the different areas. Transportation cost of agricultural product can be minimized by thereby help to minimize the cost of finished goods. Avoid wastage of perishable agricultural products. Help to develop backward areas based on their suitability for the setting up of agro-based industries. Need for agro-based industries. We all are aware that India is an agricultural based country. Therefore, to process that agriculture produce and fetch the maximum prices for the production, we need to set up the agro-based industries. So here we are going to see what are the different needs to set up agro-based industries in India. First one, suitable to rural areas as they are raw material oriented. We can set agro-based industry in the rural area because in agriculture sector of India is mostly concentrated in the rural area, and therefore industrialization in rural area is possible. Next one is for upliftment of rural economy. Once we set up agro-based industries in rural area, it can help to generate income and thereby ultimately it helps to upliftment of rural economy. To solve the problems of unemployment, by setting agro-based industries, we create an employment for different skilled and unskilled labor, and thereby the problem of unemployment is automatically get solved. To generate income and increases the standards of living. Once the rural people get employment by agro-based industries, the income is generated, and by generating income the standards of living automatically get increased. Next one is for decentralization and dispersal of industries. The industrialization or industrial sector nowadays is concentrated in urban areas. the agro-based industries, if we can set it into the rural area, it helps to decentralization and dispersion of industries in the rural area.